traffic?
Yeah, Eric, everything's looking really good out there right now. We had some trouble earlier this morning, like an accident on the upper deck of the Bay Bridge, but for the last about half hour, 20 minutes, things have been looking really good. Although on the upper deck of the Bay Bridge, just right before you get into the city, you get reports of some debris in lanes. So this is maybe left over from that earlier accident, not sure. It's said to be in the left lane now. Bridge crews are responding to see if they can get it out of there, but we're not seeing any associated delays. As for the slowdowns we were seeing on the upper deck of the Richmond-Santa Fe Bridge, got a couple of calls from the phone force. Whatever was there causing the slowdown has since been cleared, and it's no longer a problem, so that is good news. San Bruno reports of an accident southbound 280 before Westboro. Right now we're getting reports of an accident, but not seeing anything blocking any lanes or causing a slowdown as of yet. We do have reports, however, of dense fog, so maybe I lied about the lack of weather here, Eric. Dense fog on the Bay Bridge, Golden Gate Bridge, and Med Peninsula. Your next update, 7:48 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Let's call that a misstatement, not a lie.
Misstatement, yes. That's great spin work.
Thank you, Ted. Take care. 7:39 now. Let's get a check out the weather forecast. Partly to mostly cloudy out there this morning with a bit of haze. Lows in the 50s. Lots of sunshine throughout the Bay Area later on today once the clouds burn back. Highs will be in the mid to upper 60s along the coast and at the Bay. Inland highs will range from mid to upper 70s. Some temperatures outside right now. The cool spot seems to be Santa Rosa at 40 degrees, San Rafael 54, fog and 52 degrees reported in Napa, 53 in Concord, 56 in Oakland, and 53 degrees in San Francisco. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
We run our AC pretty much all summer long. Our electric bills are pretty high.
I'm concerned about the condition of our infrastructure.
Recently in California with the fires, they said that they're going to shut off the power and it can be shut off for longer periods than usual.
I look at our electric bills, they keep going up and up and up.
We had to find a solution to our energy bill.
Your home is an ecosystem. Solar power, battery storage, and efficient air conditioning all work together to ensure your house is comfortable, protected, and self-sustaining. Save today and prepare for tomorrow with Semper 360, the all-in-one home energy solution.
The savings are better than what I expected.
I said, I want the A-Team. This was the A-Team.
From the beginning to the end, they have been the best.
Declare your energy independence with Semper Solaris, your local and veteran-owned solar, battery, and air contractor. Take advantage of the 30% federal solar tax credit. Zero down, zero interest, and zero payments for 12 months. For all offers, call 415-367-0747 or visit sempersolaris.com. Expires October 31st, 2022. CSLB 978-152.
It's pro time because at Lowe's, it's Provember. Save big with inventory you can count on, like Flex products or DeWalt power tools starting at just $99. Plus, Lowe's MVPs members earn up to 3 times bonus points per dollar on select items. Save all Provember long. Bonus points calculated before taxes and fees after applicable discounts, if any. MVP's Pro Rewards Program. Terms and restrictions apply. See Lowe's.com/L/Pro Loyalty terms. Subject to change. Prices valid from 10/17/22 to 2/3/23 or until supplies last.
We're all on this planet together, so join Odyssey and find your one thing. After Halloween, your used jack-o'-lantern and other gourds are great additions to any compost pile. Join Odyssey, and together, each of us doing one thing makes a greener tomorrow. What's your one thing?
My heart was racing just making spaghetti. I could have waited to tell my doctor, but I didn't wait.
I was short of breath just reading a book. I could have delayed telling my doctor, but I didn't wait.
They told their doctors and found out they had atrial fibrillation, a condition which makes it about 5 times more likely to have a stroke. If you have one or more of these symptoms, irregular heartbeat, heart racing, chest pain, shortness of breath, fatigue, or lightheadedness, this is no time to wait. Contact your doctor.
Brought to you by Bristol Myers Squibb and Pfizer.
KCBS's Kim Wonderly takes a closer look at Halloween dining in this week's Road Report.
Most diners flock to the Moss Beach Distillery because of the gorgeous views of the Pacific Ocean, but the history is fascinating. The Moss Beach Distillery was a popular spot during Prohibition era with silent film stars. It even made its way into a Dashiell Hammett story. But it's the Blue Lady that continues to haunt the place. Apparently in the 1940s, a married woman fell for the resident piano player. The woman, who favored blue dresses, was killed while strolling the beach with her lover and has haunted the distillery ever since. Unexplained pranks continue to dog the Moss Beach Distillery to this day. Now in Brentwood, the historic Italian restaurant Sweeney's Grill and Bar boasts a friendly ghost in the apparition of the original owner. Now, the legend has it that back in the early 1900s, that owner was murdered in a poker game over the grand sum of 11 cents. And according to some locals and workers at the elegant venue, the ghost of the owner is often viewed at the bar, leaving an 11-cent tip for the staff. A ghost with manners at Sweeney's in Brentwood. And in Alameda, it makes sense that the 1400 Bar and Grill might be haunted by ghosts decked out in uniform. It was built in 1879 and known as Kroll's Gardens and Hotel. It was a popular spot with soldiers stationed at the nearby Alameda Naval Air Station. The current-day 1400 Bar and Grill makes for a cozy hang with their comfort food and full bar, and these uniformed apparitions have been seen late at night, bellowing with laughter, fitting right in with the happy vibe at this historic Alameda spot. That's the Road Report. Kim Wonderly, KCBS.
We'll check the KCBS Sports Line in 1 minute.
What do you have for us today, Charlotte?
Charlotte is the little sister of the Tooth Fairy. Charlotte is the Junk Fairy.
If you have stuff in your shed that you haven't used in the past 12 months,
Yes?
you're not storing stuff, you got junk.
Turn your storage shed into a shed that you can use again.
Give yourself some space to maneuver.
Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
We make junk disappear.
All you have to do is point.
Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com.
Heart failure, carpal tunnel syndrome, shortness of breath, stomach issues, lower back pain. How does it all add up? If you have heart failure and any of those seemingly unrelated symptoms sound familiar, it's time to talk with your cardiologist and get the full picture. They may add up to transthyretin amyloid cardiomyopathy. ATTRCM is a rare and underdiagnosed disease. Recognize the signs and discuss them with your doctor soon. Learn more at connectwithyourheart.com. That's connectwithyourheart.com. Sponsored by Pfizer.
7:45, a look at the KCBS Sports Line. The Astros bounce back in Game 2 of the World Series to take it 5-2 over the Phillies. Each team has now won a game apiece. Game 3 tomorrow evening. The Warriors lost in overtime to the Hornets, 121-13 in Charlotte. The Dubs are in Detroit to take on the Pistons this afternoon at 3. The 49ers are in L.A. to face the Rams at 1:25. More sports now with Joe Hughes.
Up until the last few weeks, the 49ers defense had really looked like the class of the NFL to start this season, but some injuries and missed plays have left that group looking a little suspect as of late. 49ers defensive coordinator D'Amico Ryan says he's facing a challenge trying to get that unit reorganized and back into the group that was the top-ranked defense in the league heading into last weekend. D'Amico Ryan says accountability will be the key.
We can never get in a situation where it's one person pointing the finger at someone else. It's all everybody knows in the room together. This is where the breakdown happened, and this is why. And this is what we have to do to fix it. So that's how we approach every game, win or loss.
The 49ers could certainly use a boost from their defense this week. The offense is going to be without star wide receiver Deebo Samuel. He's dealing with a hamstring issue that forced him to miss the full week of practice. From the sports desk, Joe Hughes, KCBS.
Tap into your best life with LifeSource Water. This is Claire Beverly, and I want to tell you about LifeSource, the best whole house water system on the market. Pamper yourself and your family with filtered and delicious LifeSource water straight from every faucet and tap. LifeSource eliminates 99% of chlorine and contaminants that cities add to your Hetchy water, so your water tastes great and your skin and hair feel great. Better yet, a LifeSource system is maintenance-free. No filters, no salt, and no bottled water needed. Yep, zero maintenance and zero water bottles. They install it, you forget about it. Tap into your best life. Taste and feel the difference with LifeSource water. For a limited time, purchase a LifeSource system without paying a penny for 6 months. No interest, no payments. Nothing for 6 months. Subject to credit approval. Call 888-712-4279 for a free consultation. That's 888-712-4279 for a consultation. Or visit LifeSourceWater.com. LifeSource. Taste and feel the difference.
The best part about taking Z-Cool Pure Z's Sleep Plus Next Day Energy at night is actually the next morning. I wake up alert with none of the grogginess from taking too much melatonin. Pure Z Sleep Plus Next Day Energy is a bilayer tablet with immediate release melatonin and extended release B vitamins to help me fall asleep naturally and wake refreshed. It's my secret weapon for a great night's sleep and a great morning.
Hi, Mom.
Can't beat that.
Z-Cool Pure Z's Gummies. Sleep better, wake your best.
KCBS Radio wants to send you to see the Eagles February 21st, 2023 at the SAP Center. For your chance to win, head to kcbsradio.com/contest.
Kirby is your driveway mechanic. They bring the shop to you with brake replacements, oil changes, washes, and so much more. Get $50 off your first oil change with code OIL50